Hi everyone, my name is Sonia. Welcome to my channel Command Line Hub. Today we are going to learn basic commands of Linux. If anyone is willing to learn Linux or a very beginner to work in it, must watch this series. Okay, so just a brief before moving to the main topic. Linux is an open source kernel which is more secure than Windows because of its flexibility and adaptability in nature. It is more widely used in all the corporates. Okay, so let's start with the basic commands of Linux. So, if we are going to check what is the host name of our system or of this server, we just need to run simply host name command. See, it will give me the entire output of my host name. So this is the host name of my machine, IP172.compute.internal. So in the similar way, you may also run this command to your machine and you can also able to check what is the host name of your system. Now move on to the next command. Now if I want to check which user is currently logged into the system, I just need to run who am I. You can see it has returned the output of EC2 user. The username is EC2 user. You can run this command and check your output. Now move to the next command. So the next command will be if supposed to be I want to check what is the OS version installed here or what is the OS distribution installed here. Simple thing that I need to run is cat etc OS release. C. So the OS is Red Hat Linux and version is 9.5. Along with we will get the entire brief details of the installed OS. So in the similar way, you may also run in your machine and check the OS distribution. Okay, so later on my video, I will explain what is the meaning of cat, what is etc, OS release, etc. Just as of now, you need to remember that for checking the OS version or what is the OS distribution installed here, we need to run this command cat etc OS release. Okay, so now if I want to check what is the present working directory or which is the path where I am present right now in this server, so I just simply run pwd. It is nothing but the simple or the abbreviation of p present working directory pwd. You can see that it is basically the home directory of EC2 user. So similarly, you now run in your machine and check what is your present working directory. So okay, move on to the next command. Now, if I want to check that what is the date in my system, so simple command I need to run is date. See, it is showing me the present date of this server. It might not be matching with our current date because it might depend on in which region the server is present right now. Since I'm using EC2 machine, like this machine is basically on AWS platform, so it is showing the current time zone of that US is time zone. Okay, so today we are today we are done with our basic commands. So now just we are reviewing what we have learned today. So very first command is host name. That is basically returning the output. What is the host name of our server? Second thing is who am I? That is the command to check which is the current user logged into the system. Third command is what is the version of our OS? So that is for cat etc OS release. Fourth command is that what is our present working directory or the current working directory. So the simple command is pwd. Now if anytime we want to check that what is the date or what is the time zone that my system is following, we just need to simply run the command date. I hope, guys, you have learned from this series. So, as of now, bye, and we will meet in the next video soon. Thank you.